Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on reminders on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen, and then scroll down till you find this reminders section and click on it. As you can see, there are a bunch of categories such as period, fertility, medicine, appointment, lifestyle, exercise. You can turn on a reminder when your period starts. You can turn on the notification by tapping on this button. Schedule it 1 day before, 2 days before, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Select the day and then the time as well. And you can also add a message to it. The default message is your period is expected to start in 6 days. So if you have selected all these options, tap on the button save. At the top, you can also get a reminder of your input period, when fertility is coming, and the ovulation day. You can also add a medicine that you want to get reminded to take. There is a medicine appointment reminder, lifestyle reminder such as breast self-exam, drink water reminder, meditation, wake up reminder. In the exercise section, you can select from a bunch of options such as sleepy time scratch, get rid of double chin, lower back stretch, neck pain relief, and so on. Just simply tap on the relevant one, click on notifications, select time, repetition, and add a message as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.